Ooh. Oh, wow. Nice. Ooh, it cracked. Oh, there. I'm getting tired just watching. High five. High five. Do this to your pig's butt. Nice mohawk. My adjustment. So here we are at Tamerlaine. This is Mushu, and Mushu has some balancing issues. So when Mushu walks, Mushu falls over. Let's see what happens. What's going on, Mushu? There you go. Boink. Oh, there we go. Nice. Good. Nice. Oh, it cracked. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
So as I stretched it out, like.
Ooh.
Did you hear that one?
Yeah,
That was the really loud.
Oh,
So the whole hip was out. That was actually crazy.
Yeah.
Did you hear how loud that was? Yeah. Now she's walking pretty good. Boink.
You got it, girl.
Good balance that time, babe.
So Shlomo was rescued almost 9 years ago. So it's gonna be 9 years this Thanksgiving coming. And it was rescued. It was a big effort from different sanctuary and activists, and they rescue a lot of turkeys before being slaughtered for Thanksgiving. And he's one of the lucky ones.
So he made it out. And you're gonna, there it goes. Did you hear that little click? So I'm gonna lift your tail up a little bit. Oh, there you go. That's nice. A good release. That's gonna feel nice for you when you're swinging your tail around. Ooh, did you hear that?
Yes.
That's a good one. All right, love Shlomo. All right, so we have Cashew here today.
Yes,
this is Viola.
it is.
How old is Cashew?
Cashew is gonna be 3 years old next January.
Oh, we're home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cashew, can I work with you today? Can I do a little bit of stuff on you? I'm feeling your pole is out. Just adjust that. So I'll hold the head down here. Good. And I got it. How was that? Now I'm gonna laterally flex you over to this side and see if I can get that vertebra back in for you, because it's a little rotated. Got it. Anyway, this is what we do. Give him a little adjustment, and then we lean into each other. Okay, you're a good guy. The right side's lower than the left. Okay, it's even. Got it. You go right in there, because you know I'm not going to follow you. This is what he thinks of my adjustment. This is the feedback I get. All right, Cashew. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for coming. What's this guy's name?
Diego.
Look how big he is. Okay, so Diego, ¿qué pasa? Me llamo Dr. Douglas. That's a big guy, right? All right, let me get, there you go. That must feel good. So I'm up on your pole, okay? Now who's this?
Try him. This is Dexter.
Hi, Dexter. Dexter, like the TV show? Hi, Dexter, can I look at you for a minute? Nice, look at that. It feels good on the neck. Work at that neck a little bit. Okay, that's nice. Good. Ooh, that cracked again. You can hear that all the way over there, right, Viola? Yeah. Nice, it should feel really good when you get these released. You feel those all move on you. Okay, good. Look at that, you get a little body work today. Okay, good. Got the jaw. Woo! Okay, you feel that for a minute. Come here. Come on over. Okay, how'd that feel? Yeah. It's a good adjustment, right? What do you think of that, Dexter? You are a handsome guy, look at you. You did the adjustment, I just was holding your tail. And then that's why we heard that crack. It was just releasing some stress. Whoa, look behind you. Here, swing on that for a second. Everybody gets excited when the chiropractor's here.
Pecan is 5 years old, and he was rescued from agricultural program.
So I'm gonna be up in here. First I wanna check his TMJ. There it goes, you hear that click?
Yeah.
Just made a crack. A little tight here. Do you feel that when I flex your head a little bit?
It does.
Maybe yes. Ooh, that's the tender spot. Oh, all right. So what happened is the atlas rotated. It's like if this is the atlas, it went up high on the right.
Okay.
There it goes. Do you hear that click? Gotta get the angle right. Here we go. Okay, nice. Okay, good. And
Oh, you like
that's
it.
it.
You like that.
That's it for him. Hi everyone. Hey everybody, how you guys doing? And let's go talk to Jasper. Hey Jasper, do you remember me? Hi Jasper. What's going on? Huh? How you feeling these days? How's this jaw been? There it goes. One more. That's it. That clacked. Good job, Jasper. Now you can see right in here. Look how hollowed out he is. My fist just buries in here. Okay, good. Okay, good. I know this is your pooping area. All right, let me just hold this for a second and stretch. Okay, a little crack there. That's good. Let me take your leg. Nice. Wow, did you hear that? Don't fall down yet. Oh, good, there it goes. Nice. I do want to adjust your atlas if I can get under these horns. Don't want to spear my crotch, please. Okay. Got it. Let's do your upper cervical. Nice. All right, I think we're done. It's just a little tune-up for Jasper. Jasper, thanks for coming today. What are you thinking about? Hi, everybody. Who's next? Ooh, you could hear that one, I bet. Little one here at C5. Okay, got it. Coming down the back. Right here, you guys always get one same spot. Nice. Nice, a little more, a little more, a little more right here. Okay, got it. I think that was it for you, just that spot. You had C6, you had a little bit at the atlas. The atlas feels good now. Let me see if your jaw needs it. Okay. All right, let's let him go. That's all for Marnie. An angel came from a big hoarding case where they were all malnourished, they were abused and neglected, and that was a couple years ago. But now they brought him back, they rehabilitated him. He was just a little kid when you got here, right? Do you remember? And he's very loving. He's just came right over to me and he asked me for a chiropractic adjustment. Well, maybe not, but is it okay if I work with you today? I'll just check some of your spots. Beautiful set of horns here. Look at that. Yours are really elegant. Little pretty guy, right? Here up at the pole. Okay, right there. So let me check your neck next, okay? So I'm coming down the neck. You can feel right in there is a nice tight spot right there. So let me see if I can get in there. There we go. That one even popped right there. Can you feel this one? Angel right here, that's a bad spot. It's all tight here. So let's get a little bit on there. Got it. Let's check the sacrum. Okay. Nice. And he's gone. All right, on to the next goat. So we have Captain Jack Sparrow. He comes from a big hoarding situation. And then this one is Huckleberry. And Huckleberry, again, all three of these goats We're from a horrible hoarding situation where over 20 goats had to be rescued, and he's getting older now and has CAE. It's a virus that causes multiple type of ailments and eventually can end the goat's life, but it gives him muscle stiffness, achiness, lameness, and just overall not feeling good in your body. And here's Captain Jack. Captain Jack, look down at his foot. You'll see he's got a bad leg that he was born with. Can I work with you today, Captain Jack? So I'm here on the Atlas. Ooh, that was good. Coming down there. Good. Rubbing your neck out. Down here at the base of the neck, into the withers, through the back. Here's where you're locked up, the thoracolumbar junction. Ooh, that made a big crack. Good job, Captain Jack Sparrow. Good one. Can I have this leg, Bubba? Ooh, it cracked just picking it up. That is a twisted leg. Good. Good. Got it. Let me just mobilize it a little bit for you. Nice. Clickety clack, you hear all those crunchies. This feels better already. Can you tell the difference? What do you think of that? Let me get this lower cervical. Nice. I'm gonna bring it this way too, okay? There we go. Nice. I think we're almost done. See how your jaw is. There we go. What do you think of that? I think we're done. So here's back to Huckleberry. Okay, I'm gonna shake that pole out. All right. Nice. Okay. All right, just a little more. Let's come down the back. I saw something here. This is where you're humped up a little bit. Okay, there it goes. Okay, another one. Oh, that's the one. Woo! I think that's it. We'll let you go. All right. Not bad, right? Good job. All right, that's it for the goats today. We're gonna move on. We have Polly here, like Polly, and she's, how old do you think? Like
She's
old.
around 8 years old. Yeah,
8
she's
years
an
old.
old lady.
She's old and she's got some stiffness in her legs, so we want to see if we can get some mobilization in the legs. We're gonna do a little look at that. I can also check the hips. Sometimes the hips will adjust on the chickens. Your eyes look a little sleepy. He's got like droopy eyelids. And you get a little tension here. All right, so now I'm gonna just hold that for a second. She bites me. And there we go, a little lift. Let's do one more, okay? There we go. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of a release in there. Ooh. And now I'm on the left side again. Ooh. Down here we can get some movement, so we're gonna go down here. There it goes. All right, let's look at your legs, and we're gonna see if we can get a little motion into your legs, okay? Look at how cute these feet are. Well, this one's stiff. And then, there we go. And now we bend them, look all the way. Good, let's do the next one. That one moves well. This one doesn't. Do you see that? Mm-hmm. Especially right there, that joint is off. Ooh, wow. That made a, look, now it bends.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna check each little joint. You're a little stiff here too. You got like a, there's some arthritis here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm gonna stretch that a little longer again. Bring that all the way up, a little extension. We're gonna do a little bit of a cheek rub. It's our favorite way to end a chicken treatment is the cheek rub. Let's see if we can get you to relax a little bit. A little nice mohawk. Her joints were stiff. I just basically manipulated and motioned everything. We have Lindsay here today. Lindsay's 30. So I'm gonna just work on this pole a little bit. Let the lip flop and lip. So you got a spot here in the lower right. Do you feel that? It's a big old muscle knot. Look at me. So I'm going to massage that for you. Actually, there's two, so I'm going to get the next one too. May I? It's right in there. Laterally flex. Ooh, that made a big pop. Okay. Good. A little stuck up here too. Do you feel that? Let me hold that. Get that shoulder to release a little bit. And here in your thoracics too. Do you feel that? One right there? Right in there. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that cracked. Did you like that one? It's a good release, right? It's nice, right? I think we're done. Let's don't overdo it today. Just got your couple of good adjustments on you. We have Dawn here today. Dawn is a donkey. We don't know that much about Dawn other than she's a rescue and had a bad life, and now she has a good life. How about that? And she's about 20 years old, and I'm just gonna give you a little checkup. Can I work with you today? I gotta watch that front leg because she'll kick out at me. So here's the pole up here. Here's the atlas. Watch that front leg. You're gonna bring your head up, and I'm gonna adjust straight down, okay? Watch that leg. Oh, there. That was a crack. Let's see what her face does. What are you thinking about anyway? So here's a big spot here. I don't know if you can feel that, Dawn. This is a big muscle knot. Do you feel that, how I'm working on you a little bit? Let's see your eyes. You're really sweetie, right? Look at your sweet eyes. And I'm gonna bring you this way just a little bit. Laterally flex. Let's see how you react to this. Laterally flex a little more, a little more. There we go. All right. All right. Well, that feels a little better. Do you notice the difference, Dawn? You also have something right up here. It's C2. So let me just wiggle that. There we go. Ready? I'm going to do a little bit of a... There we go. There. It's bouncing nicely through here. But then right here, right there, it locks up. Ooh. That was a good one. Did you feel that? So here's the 6th lumbar, and that one's a little posterior, so I'm going to adjust that one, okay? Okay, that one I got. Look, she's licking and chewing, so this is good. So she's, look at her face. Well, she was. Now look, she's yawning. That's it, and she's licking. That's exactly what we wanted to see. Let her do that a little longer, and we'll watch her get sleepy. Yeah, you had a good release, right? Wow, I'm getting tired just watching. They say yawning's contagious. All right, that's about the most we can do. Thanks for watching. So we have Pippa here today. This is Viola. She's the farm manager here at Tamerlaine. Pippa's close to 12 years old now, right?
Yeah.
And she's been with you guys a long time, right? She was one of your
for
first.
a few years, yeah. Well, actually, yeah, Gab and Peter, they rescued her years ago, but they couldn't get her in because they didn't have any sheep yet. So
Yeah. So it was a process.
Yeah.
It's a little sensitive up here. Oh, that was crazy, right?
Did you hear that?
That was a big crack. What do you think of that, Pippa? You know, some of the rear end weakness can come from the spine area here.
Okay.
So right now I'm rubbing into the hip socket with my thumb. So I'll start there. Okay, good. And good, I got it. Now here's the sacrum. And this feels high at sacral base. Ooh.
Nice.
You could hear that, right?
Yeah.
Did you hear that one? Oh,
Mama,
let's see her walk
good
around,
girl.
okay? Thank you for letting me work with you. So we have Clara. She lived in a bathroom for 4 years in a horrible hoarding situation. Clara finally got rescued and brought here to Tamerlaine Sanctuary, where I'm here today. So Clara was stuck in a bathroom on bathroom tiles, couldn't even touch the ground with her little feet, and her bones grew weird. And even though they've been under great health care here at Tamerlaine, they've only been able to do so much with her legs. All right, this is your atlas. I'm just gonna see if that makes you relax a little bit. Just feel your spine. And oh my God, there's a spot there. All right, there you go. And here's your pelvis. And down here on your sacrum. And all right, there's one. This, you might even like this. It might be good treatment for you. All right, there's another one. All right. Oh, wow. Did you feel that one, Clara? That was a good release. Yeah, you love this. Am I the first person to massage you today? So I'm gonna just do a little motion in here just to open up these facets, because you probably have a little arthritis in there by now. You're being a senior. I'm almost done. There's the nice shake that we wanted. Good. And now here, this is one of your bad spots. May I get this for you? There we go. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. There's a big old muscle knot in there. Do you feel that? So I'm just going to work that out. And that's behind the jaw. And this side you're tight too. Do you notice that? You have a lot of tension. You've been at the computer too much. I'm just wiggling the hips. Clara's got some swag, some nice hip. I'll do it with you, okay? Here's my butt. Got to keep the fingers loose. If you ever do this to your pig's butt, you want to keep the fingers loose. Are we done? I'm fast. Gotta be fast in that to bite me. I think we're done, everybody. Thanks, Clara. You're a good person. Good pig. So this is Penguin. He was dropped in a box off at a vet. How old is he? Around? About 3 years old. He doesn't like to be touched. He's a little grumpy, but he's super cute. What's going on, guy? Yeah, you're a good guy. All right, just saying hello. Don't worry, I'm not going to sneak in a crack on you, although we should check your atlas. There you go, it's nice and soft. You got some good mobility here. Do you like a little belly rub? What do you think of that? It's wonderful. Have your little belly rubbed? Yeah. I know, because that feels good. Yeah, we just rub your little belly. Get your little atlas adjusted. Ready? I'm going to adjust your atlas. Got it. But I got your atlas back in. All right, well, that's it. That's all we're going to get to do today. But you did lay down for me for a quick second. Thanks for letting me say hello. And this is Diana. She's a goose. She was a domestic goose, meaning she was living with the family. And she broke her back left leg, and they were done with her at that point. So they threw her in the woods to discard. Somehow people found her and referred her to Tamerlaine, and now she's here at Tamerlaine, but she's in the middle of physical therapy. She can barely walk, right? Is that true, Melissa? That's Melissa back there. She's one of the physical therapists. And I'm gonna take a look at you today, okay? Now, when I start touching her, she's not gonna like that, okay? So she's gonna squiggle around. Okay, I'm up here at the atlas. I'm just gonna be very gentle. Just first massaging your little atlas. And I'm gonna be on the neck now and do a little bit of a release on you. There, ooh, that cracked. Coming down the spine. Now this is where the tail comes down. Kind of flex the tail. There you go. How was that? That one cracked. All right, I've been dying to touch this up here. Can I touch that? Do you let people touch that? I've been just dying to give you a little rub up here. That's what I want to do. You're like, don't touch that. Nobody touches that. A little bit right there. Yeah, right there. So nice. Just a little bit of a massage right in there. So nice. Okay. Do people come by and want to touch that spot on you? Probably. And stretch again. You love it. Go stretch out. Stretch out. There you go. That's good. Let's lift each wing up. And there you go. Look at that beautiful wing. Okay, good. And let's do this side now. There you go. So here's your back left leg. And we're going to touch this if we can. And I'm going to just rotate a little bit into the hip. So I'm on the hip itself. And I think your hip's a little misaligned from the fracture. So I'm going to do a little set here. 1. Take a breath in. 2, 3. There you go. Wow, that clicked. Made a little pop. Work that leg, girl. Yeah. You're like tap dancing now. How's that feel? Good. Good. High five. High five. Slap me 5. Good. Let's just check the right leg just in case. Sometimes the right leg, because of compensation, needs a little work too. So I'm going to go to the back right. All right, now I'm right in there where the hip is connected. And let me do a little bit of, ooh, did you hear that crack? It was crazy. So who knew the right side was out too? All right, listen, I think we're done. All right, Diana, you're such a good one, aren't you? You're so pretty. All right.
No, we did a crumble for
Let your
something
head
else.
tilt.
Jalapenos are
Good, and
right
tilt
here.
this way.
Well, those are really Filipinos, but that's fine.
Tilt all the way this way.
Oh, no, they're jalapenos.
You hear a crack?
So we
Drop here, more.
Never know how hot.
Whoa!
That was crazy. I think that's what we should do today. We're going see how your knee is now.
I used to grow all different types.
You okay?
Even,
All right, so you're gonna tilt your head this way. More. Wow. Okay. Let your head tilt a little bit. Oh, good. Now try the shoulder.
Wow.
What?
Wow. That's crazy.
Is that fun?
That's wild.
Yeah. Did you hear
Oh,
that one?
yeah.
Diego, ¿qué pasó? Muy grande. Ooh, did you hear that one? That was
Yeah.
even louder. There, it popped. So it just went.